Hey, what's up, Marissa? Good morning. First one in today. I'm looking at the old stocks right now. I didn't notice Ather had a ATER had a run last night. Yeah, I see it. But this one, I don't mind that much, so. Can you not hear me still? Bro, why does this thing do this all the time? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, can you hear me there? Can you hear me there? No, still no? Can you hear me there? Hello, hello? Can you hear me there? Hello, hello, hello? Still no? Hello, hello. It says it's picking it up. Can you still not hear me? Bro, what the heck, man? Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me? I can see it. I think I can hear myself. Okay. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Is it clear? Pretty good. Can you hear me? You can hear me now? Hey, what's up, Tash? You're the one that just asked on the Discord, right? Okay, I was a little thrown off because Mercer was saying he couldn't hear me, but it's on his end, I think. So, Tesh, you're new to trading, correct? How long have you been trading for? Even if it's paper trading, I don't care. I just want to know how long you've learned about trading. Hey, let's look at the gappers now. What is that? 1 month, nice. Hold on. But you don't have a broker account open yet? You just been like kind of like learning on YouTube and stuff. Just Wealth Simple. I don't really know what that is, but okay, so obviously I am not international. I live in the US, so I use Thinkorswim, which is what you're seeing. But I'm invested in Vuo and Cardano, okay? But I think your best bet for SBFM, nice. I do want to let you know that everything I trade, because I don't know what you're talking about, SBFM, um, I buy and sell in the day. Yeah, pre-market looks terrible, Mersa, and don't scare me like that. I was like trying to fix everything again. But Tej, so I don't know if you really know much about it or not, but like I literally buy and sell, so I will never hold anything overnight or hold it more than like 5 minutes for sure, you know. So if you see me buying a stock, it's not because I think it's gonna go up tomorrow or something like that. Your top watch is Vero. But so I think your best bet is Interactive Brokers. Do you know, Mersa, what the best broker is if you live in Canada? So I would look at Interactive Brokers, and there's another one I can't remember the name, something like CMEG or something like that. It's not a big broker. It's not a like super common one, but I think it's a good one that even some other people have suggested before. It's called CMEG, and I think you don't even have to be, you're not even subject to the PDT rule with that broker and all that stuff, but I am not sure about it. Eh, Ape Trace, there's nothing, dude. I see Mercer and I were looking at VERU, but I mean, it's down a lot still. I'd got to get it up here before. I do like ATER. This one came back yesterday, right before close. So I'll keep this one. I got an alert there already. I might drop it down a little bit. Besides that, I got CTIC. Doesn't look any good at all. And then BCTX. So I'm hoping one of those other two will make a play. If not, Momentum Scanner will start showing some stuff. ARTL. That one. Oh, wait, no. Did you mean to put ARTS? ARTL. Oh, that's a different one. So, Tesh, mid candle breakout. Yeah. Tesh is on because. So, I don't know how you found me. I'm guessing it's TikTok. But, all my TikTok videos are exactly what you're going to see today. So, I can buy and sell and make 500 bucks. I can buy and sell and make 1,500 bucks. I can buy and sell and make $200. So, I mean, just depends on how much you want to buy and how much you want to risk. But if you have the money and you're smart about it, you can make a lot in a minute, 2 minutes trading. And I'm only saying that because I don't see anything good today, so I might just not even take a trade. I mean, I'm just saying that right now. KLDO. You have your scanner set with no minimum price, do you? Apes, Ape Trades. 'Cause some of these things are really low. I mean, that's fine. I don't know that I would ever be super interested in trading a 30-cent stock that's moving 2 cents every, it's only 0.02. How much are you putting down on average for these 5 minutes? Nah, no minimum. Do you do Forex before this? I think we all started in Forex. Um, oh no, he didn't. So, Tesh, as far as money, it depends. Like if you're looking at this stock and you buy 5,000 or 10,000 shares of it, it's only 30 cents. So whatever that is, that's how much you're spending. But for example, another one like Ather, if I buy 5,000 shares at $5, then you're spending more. So it just depends on the stock. I can't really tell you exactly how much I'm going in with. It depends. No, I'm also making results that are like pretty good, you know, like you have to have a decent amount of money to make 1,500 to 2 grand a day. But I would think with a couple thousand, um, and some of these lower price stocks, you could probably make $100, $50, $100 a day. It's very possible. Yeah, no problem. You're asking good questions, and these are all questions I had when I started. I remember I would see people making all this money, and I just could not believe it. And then once I finally got the broker open, and then I'm like, okay, this stock just went up 40 cents. 40 cents if I have 1,000 shares. That's a lot of money right there, you know. Hey, you getting somebody else into trading apes? Ape trades? Nice. And let's go help him. So, Tesh, if you want, just keep asking us questions on the Discord. If you think you're asking too much or you don't want to annoy them, just go ahead and DM me privately, and then I'll try to get back to you. But do it on the Discord. Not that you can't do them here, I'm just saying, but like if you do my Instagram or like my TikTok DMs, I probably won't see them as much. Dude, this sucks. For real, dude, I could have slept in. Just kidding. Mercer, I kept watching so many videos yesterday about the FPV thing. Oh, let me look up that broker for you. I'm pretty sure it's CMEG. So, Tesh, look at hit Best Buy and finance that thing for like 20 a month. Oh, you can finance those things? I just bought it cash. Or not cash, but just paid it all up front. But, which one did you say? Peru. Tesh, are you still in here? Oh, I just saw you typing. So I quickly looked it up, and CMEG is one of the brokers that I was talking to you about. Um, look up and see if you can open one with them. I've never tried it. I've never really seen stuff about it. I would do a lot more research before you open it. But they don't require the PDT rules, so you don't have to have 25,000 to day trade all you want. And they also have 4 to 1 buying power. So literally CMEG. I've never used it. I haven't really had people that have used it personally. Like I don't think anybody in my Discord does use it, but I would do some research on that one and see if anything shows up. Guys, the market opens right now and I don't have anything that I'm looking at. 410 you say or 4 to 1? They're all always either 4 to 1, 2 to 1. Basically, it means if you put $100 in, you can buy stocks and buying power up to 400 because it's 4 times your amount. But I think the minimum deposit that you can have on CMEG is 500. I did see that just now. Hey, Ape Trades, there's your KLDO play maybe soon, going up back to pre-market, but I probably myself will not touch that one. I want ATR. I have a scanner that I pay for. So all the little charts that you're seeing on my stream, the ones that are white, there's one right above my camera, and then there's the other ones. Frick. I don't know, the other direction, on the other side of my screen. So those are my scanners that I pay for. Um, Dude, even my momentum scanner is not picking up anything. It picked up CCL, which is Carnival Cruise Lines or whatever, and I don't like it so far. So yeah, I pay for those, but as you can see, obviously, the second I start streaming, I show them, so you'd be getting them for free, and that's all I look at. So I think that's a good way to start also, because you can see everything in the mornings without you having to pay anything. CTIC, guys, looks like it wants to come, but you grab some BCTX. You already closed your profit? At 1050. Pretty boring day again, guys. What do you mean they're not available in Canada? All of these stocks should be. It might be the broker that you're on. Because I don't know what Wealthsimple is. Hey, Ape Trades, did you get your trade on KLDO? Look at it. So ATER is still trying. I'm watching BCTX with the Immersa, trying to see if it goes down to that 1050, but so I'm watching ATER. I'm seeing if this continuation happens right here. Right there. I'm still holding 1,000 shares on ATER, guys. Sorry, I really couldn't call that one out. I'm taking out a little more there. Still holding 500 shares. I'm going to keep taking profits out as this keeps going higher. Took out another 200 there. I'm still holding 300. I might just hold all of these. About there with a stop loss and see if we get a squeeze all the way up to highs of not even pre-market. I think it's yesterday. Yeah, market closed yesterday. So under 1050, I'm not touching it. Yeah, so I'm still in on ATER. So there you go, Tesh. I took about a minute, 2 minutes for that trade, and I'm up $250. That is what trading can do. BCTX. Oh, what the heck? Perfect bounce, man. Hey, but I can say you missed a. But I can say you missed ATER. Are we competing now or what? I want to put this right there. So that little red line you're seeing is my stop loss. So if that stock comes down to there, it'll take me out. But if this keeps going up, I'll still have it. Let me check out BCTX. Oh, it just cracked right under. Dang, that sucks. Come on, ATR, keep squeezing. See, this is one thing I don't like about Thinkorswim. I have to take this out before I can sell. I might just fully close this one. Yep. So I'm fully out of that one. Can't you drag your stop up? Yeah, I can drag it up, and but I was saying like, so if I have a stop loss for 300 and I only want to take out 100, shares. If I have that stop loss there and I sell 100, the Thinkorswim will not let me. It'll say that you're trying to open a short position because I only have 300 shares and it's technically going in as short 400 because 300 plus 100. So it tells me I can't do it. So I have to manually exit that stop loss, and then I have to bro, this chair's like crooked. And then I have to freaking sell the hundreds, which is not a big deal. But some of those higher price stocks where I'm moving like a lot of money, I always get scared that by the time I close it and don't have enough time to click out of my certain position or whatever, that it'll drop. So then I'm not protected and I didn't sell the peak, you know. But oh well. So what is this? GNS halted down. This is a higher stock, but this is an IPO. Is this an IPO today? Guys, look at GNS. Look at GNS. There's no way an IPO like this halting down is gonna hold. This is probably gonna come back up. Oh, but it's so low volume, dang. Yeah, I'm seeing that yesterday. But I just have a feeling since it's so close to first of all, it's IPO and it's so close to its highs already. It came down to 11 and it's coming back up. ARTL. I'm just gonna put alerts just so I can see it and see what it does. So, what you thinking, Tesh? What are you thinking? I'm starving. MRSA, ARTL. It looks okay. Volume's not the best, but it's just I don't like these super cheap stocks. And I feel like I'm not the only one that doesn't like them. So I think that's why you sometimes get lower volume on some of these. What field did you get in on? This one right here? On ARTO? Bro, you're gonna fall. 63.50. Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. If you have the 15-minute delay, it's probably because you haven't activated your real-time quotes or whatever. First red candle, nice. You took your profits though, so you're green on this one and you're green on BCTX. This is a good trade with that support, but just didn't work in your favor. One of these you're gonna buy a support like this. It's gonna rip. Same thing with me on ATR. I didn't really buy the support, you know, I don't really buy that low. I mean, you could have gone down there. But I got in here. If this would have kept ripping, it would have been nice. So if you still have a delay, that might be a thing you have to go activate or have a certain amount of money to be in there. Yeah, I would not be chasing BCTX now. This support was okay. You still don't. You're not so far off your highs, but this is too much. Maybe down here, but I'm not the support guy, and you know that. And I actually. So what was yesterday's play? LITX, right? Dude, I don't know why. Yesterday I was like, dude, this stock is just gonna go. Cause remember I kept saying this stock is gonna go sideways all day and then squeeze. I saw all of this yesterday, and in the middle of the day when it came down to here, I was like, I'm gonna buy. And I was like, no, I can't risk it because I was like, if I buy 500 and it drops to like somewhere down here, I was like, I'll lose 500, and I made 500 yesterday. So I was like, nah, I can't risk it. So I let it go, and I didn't buy anything. But I was like almost positive this stock was gonna just come up, squeeze up. GNS is live. Let's see. Shoot, I'd buy right there. So oh, on the downtrend? No. This one? Damn, that sucks. Yeah, but I was like, I want to buy this and consolidate, even drop a little bit like this, and then squeeze up pre-market, post-market. ARTO. Alright, so let's see this one. It's going up on my momentum scanner. Wow, look at this. GPS. We also got SOXL, but I feel like these that always start with S like that are ETFs or something like that. So, oh yeah, Direction Shares ETF Trust. So I usually don't mess with these either. So yeah, but still pretty slow day, dude. GPS is on my scanner again, but look at this. Where am I gonna enter this trade? It's had It's had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 candles and 15 of them are green. And Tesh, I saw your message somewhere up there saying you'll start trying to come in here and learn stuff and as much as often. So I really appreciate that. I'm sure you'll learn a lot too. So it's a good thing. It's a good thing for both of us. So I see a couple more viewers on here. I haven't really taken any trades, but this one I'm up $261 today. Small green day, but it's a choppy day and not really anything moving, so I'm not mad about that. Um, this just sucks, dude. gonna head out. I'll be back in 40. Thank you so much if you end the stream. Yeah, I'll probably end the stream. I usually just trade for 30, 40 minutes a day and I'm done. So, we're 20 minutes in, but doesn't look like a good day anyway, so but I might be off, so but thank you for coming in. So, you said you are in my Discord, right? Did you find me through a TikTok? Canva. CANVA. The thumbnails look pretty good, right? I made the videos really quick because I didn't even edit the videos. It was just a one like record, make the video, and then end it. But I was mostly trying to see like how the thumbnails would work and like just the whole uploading process and like making a quick video like that, and and seeing how long it would take me. The videos I edit them on, well, that one I really didn't edit at all. So I literally recorded it from Streamlabs, which is what I'm streaming off right now. But they have, so you can see right here, you could start stream or stop it, or you can start a recording. So one is streaming obviously, and the other one just records it, and once you stop it, it'll save it to your PC. So that's what I did, and then the thumbnails on Canva. But my TikTok videos, I edit those on Filmora. The sad thing though, or the not sad thing, but the upsetting part is that obviously all these places charge for subscriptions and I'm using the free ones. But like for example the Canva yesterday, I started a trial and I was messing with it, so I got the thumbnails done. But in order for me to keep doing that same type of thumbnails and stuff and some of the effects I did on there, I have to pay for the subscription. Look at this stock real quick. Mm. So I use Photoshop, but Canva is like the same thing. Yeah, I'm sure they all do very similar things. I almost bought this breakout, but it was looking pretty low volume. You could see that when this candle was right up to that resistance, right there, my time in sales was completely green. It was filled green, and it didn't move. So I decided not to buy it, even though it was all time in sales was green, and the stock really wasn't moving, so I left it alone. What happened to GNS? Did it halt again? It halted down again. So, but that's why I feel like I need a good intro on my videos, cause, yeah, that and we haven't had good place recently. I got you. So, okay, that's why, what's it called? Well, we can talk afterwards, cause I do have some stuff. So my plan is, I don't know, I have several plans that I want to do. Obviously, I like helping you guys, and I really think that I am very helpful to new people that have just started day trading. Um, I never had anybody, so this helps me. But I also don't want to come across as a scammer, even though I probably already do. even though I don't sell anything. But so I have a few options. Obviously, people want to sell your Discord chats and stuff like that. I am not gonna do that. It's kind of pointless to sell Discord chats when I don't even know what I'm selling. Like the stocks or picks or stuff like that. So I don't want to do that. My main goal is to keep this growing, and I get paid if I get a lot of views, or eventually charge for this when I have like literally hundreds of viewers. So that would be my main goal. Um, my second goal is obviously I'm getting all these people like, for example, Tesh, if he's still in here, he could probably be like, yeah, I understand like what you're trying to do. They're all beginners, and they're asking me how do I get started and how do I start learning and who do you want me to watch and stuff. And I'm literally like, dude, like on YouTube. I found everything on YouTube, but it's not like a one channel thing. I kind of dug through all the videos and nitpicked them, and then by the time I forgot something and wanted to go back, I forgot who it was and what video it was. So it's kind of just a mess. So obviously I want to make a course. I don't know. I want to make one that's actually good, so it'll take me months, and I haven't even started. But so there's that. But the other thing that I was thinking of was, and I don't know if you guys want to throw out some opinions, is a way that I can start like kind of growing this, and one thing that I always wanted to do is have my own brand. So I was thinking maybe like start making some like hats or hoodies or shirts or something like that, with my stuff and sell them. I'm not super cheap, but like enough to where people would buy them and y'all actually like them, like it's a good quality and stuff. But that way I'm still helping you guys free, and if you pay something for me that I make 5, 10 bucks off of it or something like that, it's not like you can scam. It's not like you're paying 20 bucks and you're getting a Discord chat that you're not going to use at all. You're actually getting a hoodie, you know, or like a hat or something like that, or freaking like banners for like trading, or like mouse pad or something like that. And I won't make a lot of it, and I'm not looking to get rich, but I just kind of want to have a brand or something like that. So, what do y'all guys think? You think that's something cool? Well, that's something I don't know. Bro, GPS is still going up. Wild boy, I saw you typing. What you thinking, bud? You got any questions about a stock or anything like that? Did you trade today? You highly recommend the merch. I think that'd be cool, dude. I've always wanted. See, I mean, when I started trying to make money online, I started with Shopify. I was going to say watch a stock, but it's dog crap. Nice. I started with Shopify trying to make money online, and having a brand like that was kind of what I wanted to do, but I failed. Yeah, I've thought about doing a course too, but if I do, I want to make an actual good one, and I wouldn't charge the crap out of it either. 140 small entries. Nice, wild boy. I think we're all green today, even though it's not a good day, but I think we're all green. I only took ATER for 260, so that's all my profit today, but hey, it's good. So yeah, I think the course eventually, no matter what, I will do it, but I'm not in a rush for it. So, and if I do it, it's gonna take me a long time. I'm not gonna BS it. So I really hope to make a decent one. And I think at first I wanted to do it because of all these people asking me, and I'm like, dude, go find YouTube or whatever. But I think now I want to do it for myself. I've come a long way in trading. I mean, it's only been 3 years, and I've made pretty good money. So I'm kind of like proud about it. So making a course is kind of like, dude, I learned all of this, and now I'm gonna explain it and show you exactly how I learned it and what I learned and all I know. So that's kind of cool in my aspect. But eventually, I'm not in a rush. And then the merch, I just really started thinking about that like a couple days ago. Have my own brand sounds kind of cool. Oh, but what I was getting to is having my merch. I have to have a like a good name. I can't call it Juan Trades, or I mean maybe I could, but I don't know that I like that. Do you like that or? Or should I just make like a complete different thing? Like I know like Ricky, I'm sure y'all know who Ricky is. His cores and all his stuff is like 10 buck solutions or learn plan profit or whatever that is. Sean's his tradecaster. Yeah. Yeah. I know who that guy is. I need to come up with a name though, so start thinking, give me some ideas. Yeah, 'cause it's got to be a catchy name. And it's got to be a clean, simple logo. Is what I want to do. I want to do a clean, simple logo so that when it goes on a hoodie or a hat, it looks simple but clean and nice. Veru. Ooh. Ooh, I see. So I know you mentioned this one real quick, and I'll tell you why I didn't take a trade through that pre-high. Um, because of all this. Because of all this over here. It picked a volume and it was gonna break it, but it's not at a place where a lot of sellers are gonna bail. Yeah, these people will bail here, but you still have all of this back here where the stock has just been constantly declining. For all yesterday, it was fading. All like even post-market and pre-market didn't really move, so it wasn't gonna be a clean breakout. No. Hey, am I still alive? Can you hear me? Can you hear me or no? Okay. Alright, so I realized my laptop turns off, so I gotta increase the little turn off sensitivity or whatever thing is. But yesterday I think when it did that, it's one of my streams stopped, so I didn't know if it did it again or not. But cool. I mean, yeah, that was a good breakout, but I left it alone. Oh, so it did stop it. Like, and I don't know how that works, cause my laptop isn't even the one that started the stream. It's my computer. Okay, well now you got it. Now you got a good move here. Nice, Mercer, nice. Did you get that dip? What? I didn't take a trade on VERU, but if you did, good job. I don't think I'm going to take another trade. $260 is not much, but I'm going to keep my profit today. So, anyways, guys, I probably won't get off. Let me import my stuff. But if y'all think of a cool name or something like that, or a cool logo idea, let me know. You don't think you'll hit over here though, 940s? You don't think you'll go back down to 940s or even this $9 down here? Sorry, I don't know this, but is that a chameleon? You mean my cage in the back? My animal? Thanks for the stream today. Thanks KTM Kid. I didn't know you were in here. Thanks for coming in here. Appreciate it. Yeah, Merce, it's a chameleon. I've shown it on the stream before. Were you not here that day? Dude, I thought about that. I thought about that because it just sounds like not like adultish, I feel like. So a chameleon, you know how a chameleon for one they change colors. Two, they shoot their tongue out like they shoot it at their prey, right? So they're pretty precise. And three, they have different eyes that move in different directions. So I thought about making it like a brand like that. For one, the shooting the tongue is they're precise with their eating, so they're like very precise. And I thought about linking that to like your entries. You have to be precise when you're buying the breakouts. You buy right before you snipe it, and then you get that trade, right? Because it happens so fast. Two, chameleons actually change colors because of their emotions. They don't change colors to camouflage, and that's a big myth. So they actually change colors because of the. I kid you not. I started drawing stuff yesterday, and it was all related to like chameleon sniping a entry. I'm not kidding. You can't see it, but so chameleons actually change color because of their trying to grab a moon because of their emotions, right? So trading is a big emotional game. If you start getting mad and you're frustrated or something like that, you're gonna lose money on the day. So I thought that was kind of cool. And then the last one, what was the last one? The eyes. You know how they move in different directions. So chameleons are literally like their eyes go like this all the time. So they're constantly looking at things around them. Like they could be looking at one bug on the right side while they could see another bug on the other side, and then all that stuff. And when you're day trading, I mean, literally, I'm looking at 6 screens on my right side, 2 screens on my left side, and then the main screen on the front. So I thought about like, dude, a chameleon is always on the watch, and I'm literally always on the watch when day trading. I have alerts everywhere. I have screens everywhere, like. So I thought that was kind of cool, and I don't know that a freaking chameleon on a freaking hat would sell that crazy. Maybe I can make a maybe I can make like a clean chameleon looking logo or something. Like simple, not like super stuff, you know. Have you not seen my chameleon though? Mersa? Yeah, yeah. Oh, I didn't import my traits. Going up for the BFRI news. Oh my god. How do people know that, dude? What were the news? How do you get the news stuff too? Like, I never really cared for news, so I don't really know. But you knew that right away, and then it halted. How'd you know? That's good news. I know the only news I ever care for is FDA approval. While I'm high on my America. Yeah. BFRI can be interesting, but I don't know, man. Yeah, I see that. Did you get in or anything like that, or no? It's crazy how it halts so fast. I mean, news must have come out right there, and then everybody, without even like probably looking at the news much, that just probably heard saw FDA approval. You literally go back to the stock and you start buying, or what? That's crazy. Not in yet. So you plan on buying after this halt? What time did this get halted at? 9:11. It's 9:14. If you get a dip or something, maybe, but this might be one of those that just because of all the news and the crazy amount of buyers that came in, it's gonna gap up to here, and then it's just gonna keep buying up. All right, I'll take a look at it with you guys. 11:15, so one more minute maybe. Yeah, I'm also watching Ether on the side, but it's got a little more room still. It's been 5 minutes here. What do y'all like to do when you see a halt like this? Do you immediately put the order in so you fill right at the open? Might open it close to 5. Or do you wait for a dip and then buy it, or you let it settle? I try to let it settle, but most of the times they freaking go up and halt. Oh, there goes VRU, yeah. Most of the times they just halt right up again. What about you, Wild Boy? Do you like to just buy it right after, put a market order or like a limit order right away and buy it, or what? Yeah, you got $4 right there. That's what I usually tend to look at. If it's really close to something like this one, say $4. I don't like the back end of it. I always look at the back end first. But say if this was a high, like of the last 10, 15 days, and this was a high, I would definitely buy any open between there, so it squeezes up to it. But this one, I mean, $4, yeah, but after that, you got all the way up to 581. So I don't know that I would buy right into it. After came down a little bit. I guess it's making a flag now. So it's at support of the flag. Oh, now they took the time and cells away, so it might be another 5 minutes. You bought the support of, oh, that flag that I was pointing out. Nailed it. Nice. Had you seen it before, or you just got in it because I called out the flag? And I said that it was about to touch that support. What's gonna happen with BFRI? Come on. Open up. Got out already cause the last time I got messed up. Opens 10:20. Yeah, still not open. And then when this stuff happens, I sometimes like don't even want to buy it now because I don't want to be stuck in another 10-minute halt or like even like a longer halt if something was to happen, because I've seen halts last longer. Yeah, good trade on that Mersa. I came right up back to VWAP and then got rejected, so that was a good little scalp dip support entry. It's not gonna open at 5. Yeah, so usually when they're like a strong volume day, like a stock, like it's already trading pretty heavily on the day and it gets halted, it's very common. It's just a 5-minute halt or something like that. But then you start getting another halt or another halt, and after that you get halts that can last longer. And I don't ever want to have to wait here 20, 30 minutes, even 10 minutes, because you don't know, and you're literally waiting to sell 10 minutes. Yeah, I hate that. And you're already green on the day too, so don't lose your profit. Me too. I'm right there with you. Not a big green day, so it can easily go red. I know everything. It's back to that same support on ATR. GPS kept going up. See, look at GNS. It came down and then halted down again. I think I'm not gonna touch BFRI. If it was a 5-minute halt. Oh my god, ATR bounced off that same support again. That's the fourth, fifth time. Yeah, for ATR, yeah. There goes VERU again, though. Now that's strong volume there. I'm looking at VERU still. Wow. Dang it. Ugh, I could have made another $100 or something on there. I was up 60 at one point, but I stopped it out. What do you got in for lines on your chart? Huh? What do you... The red lines? What do I got them from? On this stock right here, this is just a pre-market high. This one, these two, I just put them in right now from the close of the candles on that first one. My resistances, and then this one's at wick. So this one was earlier where that break was happening right there. And then this one, I was looking at the close of the candles. So you see how this one spiked and this one spiked, but it closed below these. So that's not a good sign to me. That means that even though buyers took control of it a little bit, sellers pushed it right back down and took control of the body of the candles. I look at the body of the candles a lot because even though you get a breakout like this, they're still taking control and dragging it back down. Now, for example, if you have one of these candles that came up and then this red candle closed above it, so it closed like right here. Oh my gosh. If this red candle would have closed above it, I would have taken that trade for sure and bought that, because then we would rip up here. And my target would be that top resistance line to break it. So that's why after this I didn't buy anymore, because all of these were closing below there, so I didn't really feel interested in it. So I look at the candles a lot, yeah. Does that make sense? It's the same thing here, watch. But this is the other direction. This is buyers. So you get breaks down below that support. So this support, you basically break down. Okay, I got you. I started with momentum trading, but mainly just grabbing the next leg up. Yeah, I got you 100%. So I'll explain this one real quick. Same thing. Pop down. This candle right here popped straight down all the way to here, which is a pre-market support right there. But it closed on top of it. Same thing happened with this one. Came below it, closed above it, and then after that, since all of these sellers can't get past it, since buyers are defending this point and it's closing above it, they took control. Same thing here. Now it's backwards. So I left it alone after that. So $2. I don't even know if I should replace my freaking export file for $2 more. It's still halted. Holy crap. Yeah, I used support and resistance, just never used them on the wick like that. I was wondering if you were going off past support and resistance or in the moment. No, just in the moment. A lot of times I just do that. But I will also point out resistances from like previous times. But for example, this one, since this is what I'm only seeing, I'm only worried about scalps. I'm only going to work around short-term stuff. So here you're getting another momentum candle. I sold half there. I'm going to stop out. That was a fast trade. So exactly the same thing happened. The exact same thing just happened, and I don't know if you got to see that. So the same level came up, and I bought right before it, expecting that wick to touch the top. If it was going to be a true breakout, that candle would have gone right past it, or at least held up there in the next candle. So this red candle should have been up here and closed above that one now, or at least above this one to get another leg up. But that thing, BFRI is live, guys. Oh my god, you weren't lying. Holy crap. Dude, it's gonna break 581. It's going for 581. I don't want to get stuck in a halt though. I just don't want to get stuck in a halt. I don't want to sit here for 30 minutes. Oh my god, dude. Bro, look at ATR, ATR. Dude, that was crazy. Did y'all get in? Because I knew I should have bought, but I knew I did not want to get stuck in a halt, so I didn't. I just straight up just was like, I'm not going to wait here 30 minutes. I don't want to wait. Bro, I get scared with these plays too, but holy crap. I mean, I was buying at 4.8 and it's already at 5.40. That's damn, I wish I grabbed that at the open now. LOL. Next halt it's probably going to flush down after the third. Yeah, I'm not I will not touch this. I I know it will go past 581 for sure. This breaks 581. And that's what I'm telling you now. So this is a resistance. Now when you get a stock like this, yeah, for sure you're looking at previous resistance and all-time highs is 581. Here's another level that I was looking at. That's 538, which is exactly where it halted. You see that perfectly to the T. But other than that, I left it alone. I knew it was gonna halt. I knew it was gonna squeeze. But for one, I gotta go, and two, I'm not gonna sit here and wait at a stock. It's going to open, gap up, halt, and flush at the neck. Wait, I thought you just said that. Why didn't it make another noise? Oh, never mind. That's not my part. Yeah, it'll flush probably after that. But so, which trade did I just take? What stock was it? Frick. VRU. Yeah. Oh, I thought I made another two. Oh, 160. So I don't know if you got to see that one, and I'm sorry if you missed the other one because I think y'all were watching me. So same thing. I bought that right break of that resistance and shot up right to the wick. I knew it was already being shorted there, or sellers were coming in and buyers were taking it away, so I took out half right away at that top. If it didn't break, at least I got half my shares. If it broke, oh well, I still have some for that continuation. But it didn't break, so I literally sold almost to the peak of this candle. And then my last one, since that candle got rejected and knew it was going to come right below this, I took them out right away. So good trade there. 5 minute. Let me look at the 5 minute. Yeah, right now it's forming. Dude, I don't know why it does that. I think it happens like 3 times a day. So you got technically you got that now. See, it just dipped below it and it came back up. Where about? Did you get the retest on ATER, Mersa? There's my downtrend right there. I've had it earlier. There's that retest right there. Did I go offline again? I'm sorry, guys. This thing is kind of dumb sometimes. Sorry, I had to refresh it too. Marissa, did you get that retest on ATER right there? Break of that downtrend retest? We were looking at it. Bro, no, it's moving way too slow for me. Yeah, it was true. BFRI, man, we missed so much, but I didn't want to do it. I couldn't pull the trigger. If this happened at like 840, I would have bought. I would have bought crazy amount right there. I knew it's gonna break 581. Might open at 590. Dude, this is gonna go up to Oh wow, this still gets to be $14. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna call it there. Made an extra, so let me see actually, because I actually made a little bit more money, not just $2, so I have to redo it again. So let's see now. So today, now I'm up $423. Nice. Nice, nice, nice for not a bad day. Let's see. Consistent. Heck yeah, man. That's what all I'm about. Even if I lose more on my red days, I'm consistent. My winning percent is 73 win, 27% loss. Bro, this is crazy. I never thought I would ever make stats like this. All I need to do is freaking up my positions now, but instead of making $200 a day, $400 a day, I'm making 2 grand, 4 grand. I still need to keep upping it. I'm upping it a little bit now, so I was buying 2,000, 4,000, now I'm buying 5,000, 2,500. But I'm still a little iffy on Thinkorswim, but I know that I gotta make it work, so. But yeah, 73, 27% win rate right there. And then on my win days, my average is 847. So recently I have been doing a little less. I've been averaging 400, 500 probably, but all time is 847. And my loss is 1300. But there you go. This doesn't make sense. This doesn't make sense. My average hold time on my winning trades is 13 minutes. That doesn't make sense. I don't know how they're calculating that. Did I have a long swing? I might have before, but I haven't done one in months. But now ATR is moving. Maybe, but I didn't think I imported all my swing trades in here because every time I do, I delete them. I only have day trade stuff in here, like stuff. So I don't know where it calculates that because everything else is accurate. Like I also don't know how they calculate trades. I think they calculate. Oh, there goes ATR. I bought the very peak, dude. I'm gonna average down. There's no way, dude. It's not looking good, man. I don't know why I rushed in that trade, but that's support from downtrend pre-market there, so I'm hoping we bounce here. I'm seeing a lot of red though, so I might just have to stop out and call it a bad trade. Dang it, dude. I'm gonna keep watching it though. That sucks. I don't know why I jumped in that trade. I rushed it. I think I'm still green on the day, but frick. What? 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 How did that happen? Bro, how did that happen? I was up on that trade and I closed it higher. Of course. Of course, dude. Dude, I closed it when I was in profit. Dude, again? What? Okay, I'm stopping there. I'm gonna get frustrated. I was up $100, 199 when I closed it, and I lost $100 on that trade. Oh my god. I think I'm red on the day now. I lost it all. Yeah, I can't chase that. Did you actually go short? No, I don't think so, because it doesn't let me go short. If this gives a little dip up here, I might get into it right before. That sucks, dude. Uh, well, there goes my day today. And just so you see everything, here we go. Now I'm red. I'm negative 160. I just kind of frustrated because I knew I had those trades. I had both of those trades, and both of those trades I lost. I made a little back there, about $100. Once again, I might stop there now for sure. Yeah, so now I'm only down 100. Did you sell market order, not limit? Yeah, I always sell market order, so I think that's what happened. But usually I can tell where I get filled because my line, it shows a line of where I sold it at, and my line was definitely a little higher than what it should have sold me at. So I don't know if it just didn't fill me right or it filled there, partial of it, and then most of it tanked and filled it out. But that's what the risk you get with market open, so it's not a, I'm not that upset about it. BFRI. Oh wow. Dang, I should have bought it. This was a short halt. Alright, guys, so I ended up $105 negative today. I was up 400, now I'm negative 100, so it kind of hurts, but if I just look at it at the end of the day, losing $100 is not a bad day, so I'm not mad about it. And that's part of trading, so, oh well. Also, kind of my fault. This stock, I mentioned it here. I mentioned the downtrend, started squeezing. I had a really high fill somewhere around here. Lost on that, and then bad fill there, and then bad fill there. So it's okay. But I am gonna get off with that. I don't think I should trade anymore, and that's part of being a good trader, not trying to get it back. If I went red now that I was green, oh well. So you gotta stay disciplined. So I'm gonna head off for today, guys. Thanks for coming in here. Thanks, Alex, for coming in here. I see you typing now. I don't think I went short. This broker doesn't let me go short, so I think it was just on my part. But oh well. Um, I'm fine with the results today. It was choppy day. So I'm gonna head out, guys. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for coming in, and I will be back tomorrow. So I'm still green on the week. Keeping my streak, man. Yep. Thanks. Y'all have a good one.